This is Sydney, and this is the link that I want you to take from your OLSP and then you send me. Okay, so first, when you log into your dashboard, you go to the commission tab right here and click on this drop down button, and you will see the commission generator right here. Now click on promote evergreen offers, and in here you will see the side hustle link. Okay, look at this one, and you can just copy this link. Make sure that it contains your affiliate ID. Okay, it should look like this. Okay, and when you go there, you will see this is the page that I want you to give me. Okay, and to make sure that this is your ID, this one at the end after this /, you can go back to your OLSP system, go to your dashboard, and you will see this is your mega link. Copy this link and paste it here, and you will see this is the same ID, so you are doing it correctly. Okay, and now if you don't understand what Rotator link is and what it will benefit you, let me explain with you. A link rotator, sometimes it is called an URL rotator or traffic rotator, and it's a link that automatically splits traffic to multiple destinations based on chance. When a user clicks on a link, it's similar to a roulette wheel as to which destination they goes to. So now, as you can see, here are the URL for my customer mega link. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, okay, as you can see here, I will put every link here, okay, into this link, and this is my Rotator link, right? So when someone click on this link, it will redirect to one of this link, and I will set the rate to be evenly between these links. So you guys, this is my exclusive gift to my customers. So if you join me, after that, make sure you send me your mega link, right? So I can add you to our link rotator here. Okay, so that's it, and this is Sydney. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to DM me on my Facebook at facebook.com/dailypaysite. And this is Sydney. Have a great day, and bye bye.